Introduction: the greatest show on earth. A genius who loses control of their emotions can be a financial disaster. The opposite is also true. Ordinary folks with no financial education can be wealthy if they have a handful of behavioral skills that have nothing to do with formal measures of intelligence. Chapter 1. No one's crazy. We all think we know how the world works, but we've all only experienced a tiny sliver of it. As investor Michael Batnick says, some lessons have to be experienced before they can be understood. We are all victims in different ways to that truth. Chapter 2. Luck and Risk. Luck and risk are siblings. They are both the reality that every outcome in life is guided by forces other than individual effort. Chapter 3. Never enough. If you risk something that is important to you for something that is unimportant to you, it just does not make any sense. There is no reason to risk what you have and need for what you don't have and don't need. Chapter 4. Confounding compounding lessons from one field can often teach us something important about unrelated fields. Chapter 5. Getting wealthy versus staying wealthy. A plan is only useful if it can survive reality, and a future filled with unknowns is everyone's reality. A good plan doesn't pretend this weren't true. It embraces it and emphasizes room for error. Chapter 6. Tail you win. When you accept that tails drive everything in business, investing, and finance, you realize that it's normal for lots of things to go wrong, break, fail, and fall. Chapter 7. Freedom. The highest form of wealth is the ability to wake up every morning and say, I can do whatever I want today. Chapter 8. Man. In the car paradox. My point here is not to abandon the pursuit of wealth, or even fancy cars. I like both. It's a subtle recognition that people generally aspire to be respected and admired by others, and using money to buy fancy things may bring less of it than you imagine. If respect and admiration are your goal, be careful how you seek it. Humility, kindness, and empathy will bring you more respect than horsepower ever will. Chapter 9. Wealth is what you don't see. Money has many ironies. Here's an important one. Wealth is what you don't see. Chapter 10. Save money building. Wealth has little to do with your income or investment returns, and lots to do with your savings rate.